When powerful hurricanes like Helene hit Florida's nature coast, the aftermath can be overwhelming. From fallen trees and flooded roads to damaged homes and critical infrastructure, the need for a swift and thorough assessment is crucial. This is where drones, like the ones used by Flying High in Florida, come into action. Flying High in Florida specializes in using drones to safely assess storm damage. With aerial technology, we provide a comprehensive view of affected areas, quickly, efficiently, and without putting anyone in harm's way. Traditional ground inspections can be dangerous, especially in areas still affected by flooding or blocked by debris. But drones can fly over hard-to-reach places, offering a bird's-eye view of damage, from entire neighborhoods to isolated rural locations. This allows emergency teams to prioritize and respond faster. With high-definition cameras, drones capture every detail: damaged roofs, broken windows, and flooded properties. This footage is crucial for insurance assessments, allowing adjusters to make accurate evaluations without physically stepping into dangerous zones. It's faster, safer, and more precise. For first responders, aerial views are essential for navigating disaster zones. Drones provide them with real-time data, helping them determine the safest and fastest routes for rescue operations. By delivering crucial information from above, drones reduce risks for on-the-ground teams. In post-hurricane conditions, time is of the essence. Drones can cover large areas in minutes, assessing structural damage, identifying hazards like downed power lines, and pinpointing areas still inaccessible by ground. This allows emergency and utility crews to deploy resources exactly where they're needed. At Flying High in Florida, safety is our top priority. By using unmanned drones, we minimize the risks for workers who would otherwise have to inspect dangerous areas. With drones, there's no need to climb onto unstable roofs or navigate flooded streets. As Florida rebuilds after the devastation of Hurricane Helene, drones are making the process faster, safer, and more effective. At Flying High in Florida, we're proud to be part of the effort to help communities recover, using cutting-edge aerial technology to assess, report, and support the road to recovery. For efficient, safe, and comprehensive damage assessments, trust Flying High in Florida, bringing aerial insight to Florida's nature coast and beyond.